today for the math lesson, you actually don't need anything. I just want you to listen for the first half, and then I'm going to give you an assignment that I'm going to have you turn into me. So yesterday we talked about lines of symmetry. I'm going to show you this. This is kind of what we talked about yesterday. Remember, a line of symmetry, if something is symmetrical, it means it's the same on both sides. So I kind of gave an example. If you fold something, it would line up directly that both sides would be exactly the same. So some of these that we talked about, looking at number 1, if I took this rectangle and I folded it exactly where that blue line is, we talked about that it would not line up exactly. But some of them, so this would not be symmetrical. This line of symmetry is not in the correct spot. Now you can move that if it was going up and down, or if it was going across, then you would have a line of symmetry. Look at number 2. If you took this and you folded it right where that blue line is, that is the correct line of symmetry. So if something is symmetrical, it's the same on one side and on the other. Look at the next one, that smiley face. You could fold that right where that line is and it would be the same. Now we talked about some other images. So this heart, is this symmetrical? Remember, I can draw a line. I'm just going to draw it for you. I can draw a line going up and down. If I fold it, it's the same on both sides. It's symmetrical. We also said that if you folded it a different way, so I'm going to draw another line, and I want you to look at the line that I drew going horizontal or across. Now if I fold it, is this the correct line of symmetry? No. So even though this shape is symmetrical, you have to make sure that you're folding it or you have that line in the correct spot. So in this case, it would be going up and down. In this rectangle that I have right here, same thing, it would be symmetrical going up and down. The shape would be symmetrical. There's a line of symmetry going across. It's the same on both sides. Now, we also talked about different letters. So looking at a T is a symmetrical letter. If I draw a line like this, it would be the same on both sides. If I drew it the other way, going across like this, that would not be the correct line of symmetry. So, and I think we pretty much got the hang of lines of symmetry looking at what you turned into me yesterday. Now what I'm going to have you do is you're going to be opening a Google slide. Now we use Google Slides. Remember when we did the natural disasters, you got with a partner and you created a slide and you had to get images from the internet? That's what I'm going to have you do, but you're going to find symmetrical images. So I'm going to explain to you how to go back to get to a Google slide. So remember how to get to a Google Doc. There's like in the top right hand corner, there's those 9 like boxes, people call it a waffle. If you click on that, that's how you get to Google Docs. You'll also see Google Slides there. Remember, it's like a yellow or orangish color. If you click on that, that's going to take you to open up a new one. Now you should see like what we did earlier and when we worked on the natural disasters, you should see that. You're going to open up a new one, and then you're going to find images on the internet. So shapes, you can just type in symmetrical images and you might be able to find some. Or you might want to type in like rectangle or square or triangle or different letters. And you are going to find 5 images from either the internet, or you can just type them in. So you can create your own image or a letter, if you can think of a letter that has a line of symmetry. So your Google slide should be 5 slides long. So each slide would have a different line of symmetry or a different image showing a symmetrical picture or a symmetrical image you found. If you don't remember how to do Google Slides and you're having a hard time with it, you can just draw them and then you can have your parents take a picture of them and send them to me. I really want you to try to do the Google slide, but if you're having a hard time with it, you can always email me and ask me how to do it again, or you can just send me a picture. So that's what I'd like you to do today for math. Thank you.